Hi, I'm Ashley from Barbecues Galore. Today I'll be talking about the Brander Reversible Rib Rack. This accessory right here is very convenient, especially if you have a large family or love to cook big things. On this side, it has room for 6 racks of ribs. It also features these legs, which keeps it up from the grill. Switch it around and those legs become handles, and this becomes a space that can hold either a small turkey, a chicken, a roast, lamb, really anything you want to get coddled. And you can sit it on top of a pan to keep it elevated and moist by making the juices fall into the pan and evaporate right back onto the meat that you have on the rib rack. This rib rack is also porcelain coated, which means that it doesn't have any stickability and it's very easy to clean. It also shouldn't rust because it is protected from moisture, and it is just an excellent accessory. I repeat it again. This rack is also dishwasher safe, giving you less work to do on days where you just want to enjoy the ribs you just made on it. That's basically all there is to it. It's a very convenient and simple tool. For more information, check out barbecuesgalore.ca. Thanks for watching.